John West Foods is part of the MW Brands group of food companies. It was formed as part of a buyout from Heinz. It's a global food company with 4 large fish processing plants around the world that supply commercial markets in Italy, France, Holland, Ireland and UK. John West is based in UK and Liverpool. It's a big brand in the UK, the #1 supplier of fish. You can imagine instead of purchasing 15 different pieces of hardware, it's actually much cheaper to buy 2 larger servers. And we saved about half the price we would have done on buying the virtual hardware and at the time required to get it installed. And you also save money on licensing. We spent about 60% of what we did originally, so a saving of 40% compared to our original purchase. So from a commercial viewpoint, virtualization is attractive and it certainly saved us money. In terms of maximising uptime, it's great. There's 2 servers fully replicated live and they monitor each other, and if one of the live NAV environments goes down for one country, the other server will kick in automatically. The same with the EDI subsystems, the same with the backup systems. So we've got resilience within one data centre, and if it totally fails, if there's a major disaster, we can switch on the other data centre and okay, we have an hour's worth of downtime. In the past we'd had to buy new equipment, get the tapes, reinstall and be back online within 3 or 4 days. That's not acceptable to a fast-moving consumer goods business like us. This technology is really enabling our business to satisfy our customers, to satisfy the users here in the business, and to maximise uptime. Where we're going with this environment is we're hoping to bring another plant on board late in the year. We won't have to buy a new server to run the plant. We won't have to go through the EDI selection process. We won't have to go through the reporting selection process. We have the full tool set, so we can take another country and more users without a problem. Our first physical environment cost in the region of £50,000–60,000 in terms of hardware alone, not licenses. So if we can save 50% of that each time we go out and redeploy to a new country, that's fabulous. It's been a seamless cutover. We've lost no data, we've transacted, people are happy.
The migration was planned to occur over the weekend, so on Friday afternoon we were using the system in the old regime, as it were, and then we came in on Monday morning and everything worked as usual, so we didn't get our operation disrupted at all.
As an IT director of a large group, to have uninterrupted business experience, that's what I'm looking for, so I'm a happy man. We needed disaster recovery, and in order to get that we needed extra kit. So instead of having an extra 15 servers, we've gone to 2 servers. That kit needs less space, less hosting cost, less electricity. It's green. We're trying to drive down carbon emissions. Personally for me, that matters. If there's a commercial benefit, that's great also. Normally when you approach a new project, like a new plant, a new rollout, you work with your infrastructure team. What servers do we need? What licenses do we need? How many users? How long will it take to buy all that, get it installed, get up and running? Now, the planning exercise is much simpler. Can our equipment cope with another 40 users? Yes or no? If the answer is no, I'll probably just need a bit more hard drive, maybe another processor, maybe some more RAM, but certainly not more physical servers. So already in the planning stage, you're down to 50% less time. So it really has de-risked future projects. We do have something we can rapidly redeploy with minimal time for planning, rollout and realisation. This has been a very positive experience in that it's been done with no risk to the business, no risk to the users, no risk of data loss. We've done it. Future projects, piece of cake. Looking forward to it. Bring it on.